Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Lux Algo. Lux Algo has some of the best trading indicators and AI agents for backtesting, used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel. But right now, if you sign up to Lux Algo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 20% off their premium indicators. And keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Lux Algo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're almost at 8,000 members, so thank you to everyone that's joined the Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today I have some very exciting news for Robinhood users. So as we saw a couple of weeks ago, Robinhood announced a bunch of new features that they are releasing in the next couple of months, ranging from Robinhood Social, which is a new trading community within the Robinhood app, featuring live, verified trades and authentic profiles where you can discuss strategies, follow experts, and more. There will be a new AI-powered custom indicators and scans on Robinhood Legend. There will be new equities and crypto trading ladders. There will be short selling available on Robinhood, futures on Robinhood Legend, overnight index options. We also had the options simulator tool come out on Robinhood Legend, which, by the way, we just recently made a video on that. So go ahead and check out that video. But in the last few days, I got access to another one of their new features. This is going to be their multiple individual brokerage accounts feature. And for me, this is available both on web and the mobile app. And this is something a lot of people have been asking for many years. And this changes a lot of things on Robinhood. So I think you guys will really enjoy this feature. One thing I do want to mention very quickly is I am not sure if this feature has been released to everyone. So if you don't see it yet, don't worry. I am sure you will have access to it over the coming months. So let's get into this feature. Where is it and how can we use it? So the first thing we want to do is we want to head on over to Robinhood.com. This is where I am at currently right now. And notice at the top, there is this account tab here. So you want to click on this tab, and the first button you'll see at the top is going to say profile. Go ahead and click on that button. That should take you to something that looks like this right here. So here we can see all of the accounts that we have with Robinhood. So you'll see a section for individual, you'll see a section for retirement, you'll see a section for spending, you may see other sections. But as you can see, right, you already notice here a test account here for me, which I just created recently. So how can we start creating these accounts here? Well, you'll notice here, kind of in the middle, there is this button that says add account. So we want to go ahead and click on this button here. And when we click on that, you should see something that looks like this. So the first thing it's going to ask us is choose an account type. So today we're focusing on individual accounts. So we're going to click on this first option here, but you could go with some of these other accounts if you want, but we're focusing on individual accounts. Now, the second thing it's going to ask us here is choose a management style for your individual account. So there's two options: self-directed, so you choose your own investments and you manage them your way, or there's Robinhood strategies. Now notice that this option is actually grayed out for me. Why is that? Because I already have a Robinhood strategies account. And so with this new feature, we are limited to only one Robinhood strategies account. So I can't open up another one of those. But for self-directed, with this new feature, we can now have up to 10 different accounts. So let's go ahead and click on that here. So the next thing you'll see here is it's going to ask us to choose an account nickname. So a unique name so we can differentiate between our different accounts here. And by the way, you can change this at any time. So don't, stress out about choosing the, really good nickname. You can change that later. So I'm just going to say, demo. So for today's demo, I'll just name the account demo here. And so now we're going to go ahead and continue here. And so now, as you can see, it's going to ask you to review a bunch of agreements here. So make sure you read through all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and agree and continue here. And then it'll ask you about optional feature agreements. So you can opt out of these features if you want, like the stock lending agreement, the cash sweep agreement. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as it is. And so as you can see, it's opening up my account now. First thing it'll ask me here is get started with a transfer, so fund the account. I'll just click on not now, but I'll show you here in a little bit how to fund it here. And so now, as you can see, it takes me back to the main page. And as you can see now at the top, it says demo. So that's the nickname I gave to my account. So now we are on this new account, which I named demo. And don't worry, if you need to switch to any other account, you can go ahead and open it here. And you can see your other accounts here, right? This is my main account. Here's my managed individual investing account. So my Robinhood strategies account. Here's that other test account I showed you guys. So here you can still, switch back between any account here. But as you can see, we are on the demo account now. So the first thing you'll see here is, again, add funds to gear up for your first trade. So how can we fund this account? We can click on this button here to fund account. And as you can see, there's a couple of different options. So you can first start with assets here. So of course you can get assets from an external account outside of Robinhood if you want. Or notice you can actually get assets from another Robinhood account. So if I select this here and I continue, you'll see here it can allow me to transfer assets from a different account into this account. So here I would select whatever account to my demo account, continue, and then you'll see a screen where you can kind of select which assets you want to transfer, or it'll let you know if it's ineligible for transfers for a specific security. But here's where you can move assets between kind of your Robinhood accounts. Now, as you can also see, you can also fund money here, so from an external account like your bank or from another Robinhood account. So you can move money between Robinhood accounts here as well. So that's pretty cool. Now, let me talk about something here very quickly. So one thing to keep in mind with this new feature is that you can only have one margin account. So even though we can have 10 individual accounts now, only one of those accounts can be a margin account. And my main account is already a margin account. So that means that these new accounts I've created are both cash accounts. And we can check that in our settings. Let's take a look at that here very quickly. So if you go to settings here under investing, here you can select any account you have. So notice we are on the test account here. So let's go to demo here. That's the one I just created. Notice the account type. This is a cash account. Same thing with the test account. This is a cash account. My main account, my individual investing account, the one I've had forever, you can see this is a margin account. So you can only have one margin account. All the other accounts have to be cash accounts. And, there's a couple of different things that means. One of them is, for those of you that like trading options, that you will only be able to trade level 2 options with these cash accounts. And remember, level 2 options are your basic option strategies like buying a call, buying a put, selling a call, selling a put. You won't be able to use some of the more advanced options trading strategies like butterfly spreads, iron condors, things like that. And also notice that you need to actually apply for options trading. So you can see here, get options trading. So if you wanted to be able to trade options with this new account, I would have to go ahead and click on that and go through the steps to get to that. And by the way, this is also where you can come in and modify the nicknames of your account. So notice on the left here, account nickname. So if I go here, you can see again, it's going to list my accounts. And if you're able to modify the nickname, you should actually be able to click on this little icon here. So for example, this demo account we just created, I can change the nickname to demo1, for example, and then save that. And now it's going to update the name to demo1 here. So you can modify the nicknames like we mentioned earlier. Now, let me show you a couple of more things you should be aware of here with this new feature. So they actually have pretty good documentation about this. So multiple investing accounts, frequently asked questions. So like we mentioned, right, you can have up to 10 self-directed individual investing accounts. To be able to open more accounts, right, more than just one, you have to have a primary individual investing account that's in good standing. And you need to add a new investor profile for each new individual investing account that you open. Now, what's available across multiple accounts? So like we saw, account nicknames, you can invest in stocks, you can invest in options. But like we mentioned, right, you can apply for basic options trading, so level 2 options across multiple accounts. Only one of the accounts can be a margin account. And you can only apply for advanced options trading or level 3 within that one dedicated margin account. We still have Robinhood Legend, gold subscription perks. Now, what's not available across multiple accounts? So derivatives, so like futures, event contracts, those are only available through your primary account. Crypto trading is only available through your primary account. You can only have one spending account. Like we mentioned, right, you can only have one Robinhood Strategies account, and you can only access IPOs through your primary account. And of course, there's a lot more information here, so you can just search this up and read through it. But here you guys have it, this new feature. We can now have multiple accounts on Robinhood. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think about this new feature? And I look forward to sharing with all of you all the other new features coming out in the next couple of months as they become available to me. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.